Welcome to our comprehensive guide on Mississippi tax residency. If you are considering a move to Mississippi, or even splitting time between states, understanding tax residency is vital. Your residency status determines the taxes you owe, and the rates applied to your income. Mississippi has its own criteria to determine who qualifies as a tax resident, which can significantly impact your financial situation. Whether it's for retirement, work, or the allure of a lower cost of living, planning your residency status meticulously is essential. So let's dive into the details you need to know. Before we get into Mississippi-specific rules, let's clarify what tax residency entails. Tax residency is essentially a legal status that identifies which state has the right to tax your worldwide income. Unlike citizenship, which often requires formal application, tax residency depends largely on your physical presence in a state and your intentions. Interestingly, you can be a tax resident of more than one state if you meet their criteria. This can create complex tax situations, but don't fret. Most states, including Mississippi, have guidelines to clarify which residence is primary for tax purposes. Now, let's explore the requirements necessary to establish residency in Mississippi. The most straightforward approach is through the physical presence test, known as a 183-day rule. If you spend at least 183 days in Mississippi within a tax year, you'll be considered a resident for tax purposes. It's important that these days don't have to be consecutive. Rather, they accumulate over the year. Therefore, keeping accurate records of your days spent in Mississippi is crucial. Tools like Pebbles can help you track your residency effortlessly, ensuring you meet this substantial requirement. But establishing residency isn't just about numbers. It's also about demonstrating domicile. Domicile refers to your permanent home and the ties you have with Mississippi. To qualify, you should show intentions like buying property, obtaining a Mississippi driver's license, and registering to vote in the state. These actions signal that Mississippi is your true home. Tax authorities will examine your overall life connections to the state, so taking deliberate steps to solidify your domicile is crucial to avoid misunderstandings about your residency. As we conclude, remember that establishing Mississippi tax residency offers significant financial benefits, including a progressive income tax system that's becoming more competitive and potential exemptions on retirement income. However, managing challenges like dual residency or maintaining business ties in other states can complicate your tax status. Keeping comprehensive records and understanding the nuances of your residency will better equip you to navigate the process. With careful preparation and the right tools, you can effectively establish your Mississippi tax residency and capitalize on its advantages.